Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Holden Trax, stock number 6369. This ran from May 8th, 2010 to the current shape. It has a TJ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a TJ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear taillight, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, front bonnet no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,